Scalping is very popular all over the world. There are many traders who rely on scalping and who love to scalp. Although there is some scarcity of good strategy, that's why newbies or newcomers, although newcomers want more tips, but as they don't have the solid strategy, solid techniques, systems, so they don't make money on doing scalp. Here I have made a strategy using Bollinger Band to help the newbies, to help the beginners, dummies. This is USD CAD chart, US dollar against Canadian dollar, and I set 30 minutes time frame. Now I will set a indicator that is Bollinger Bands, and the level will be, parameters will be by default 20 and deviation is 2. All are by default. I'm just changing the color, style I'm changing it at black, and style changing at green. This is it. Okay, I'm just changing the style. Now as we have know the core strategy, when price will touch at upper band and rejected from it, we will sell. So every time it touch at upper band, price fall, then price touch at lower band and got rejected. When price got rejected, this long wick, we will see this long wick rejection, we will buy. We will see this long wick rejection at upper side, we will sell. Every time we watch this rejection, we will try to take a position like this way. Every time it works very well. Price first will got rejected, then will jump from this zone. So if we watch it carefully, then we can see that every time price got rejected and jump, every time price got rejected at upper side, then price sharply fall. So this is our strategy. If we sold here, we could make nearly almost 70 pips profit. If we bought here, then our stop loss would be here. If we sold here, our stop loss would be here at the above the high of the candle, rejection candle. If we bought here, sold here, our stop loss would be here. If we bought here, our stop loss would be here. If we bought here, our stop loss would be here. If we sold here, our stop loss would be here. If we bought here, our stop loss would be here. This is the technique. Every time price hit at upper band, got rejected, then when price started to fall, we will sell. Place a sell setup. Every time price hit the lower band, got rejected by these wicks, we will place a buy stop. Every time price got rejected from the upper band, then we will place a sell stop. Every time price will come at lower band and rejected from the lower band, created a long wick, we will place a buy stop. So if we analyze it more clearly, price fall from here to here. First price went from here to here. Okay, all are it's looking messy, so I'm going to delete all the horizontal line. It's look something messy. If you don't see the So if we first price went from here to here, okay, allow me to change the trend line property. I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it at, okay, black is okay. So every time first price went from here to here, then got rejected, price fall. Then price came from here to here, then when price got rejected, price again rise from here to here. Then price got rejected, price fall from here to here. Again price got rejected, price went from here to here. Then price got rejected, price came from here to here. Again price got rejected, price went from here to here. Price came from here to here, and then again price went from here to here. Then price came from here to here. So every time price hit at upper side, rejected, fall. Hit at downside, down band, rejected, up. Hit at upside, rejected, down. Hit at downside, got rejected, up. So by this way we can scalp in 15 minutes in 30 minute chat.